Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today I'll be demonstrating how I created this Nautilus pour using a dish strainer in just 3 colors, orange, violet, and white. I hope you enjoy it. Stay to the very end for close-ups of the wet and the dry results. And in the description box below this video are very detailed hints and tips I have for the technique. This is one of the shorter videos I've ever produced because while I was painting, it was raining cats and dogs. So the video was very loud in the background. I couldn't hear anything I said anyway. So I've picked some fun music. Feel free to dance in your chairs. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you like it, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and enjoy.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. Shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. If you might mess it up, shine. Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
I went down to the city with a suitcase in my hand, looking for a better deal and trying to find myself a plan. Roaming around the streets, filling up some useless time. And if I'd seen her then and there, I would have asked her to be mine. Ooh, something to talk about. Ooh, someone to dream about. I'm going the streets 1,000 times, but a girl is hard to find. I've learned my lesson oh so well. There's only one thing I have found. When nothing else remains to do, you should just stick to your own kind. Ooh, something to talk about. Ooh, someone to dream about. Ooh, something to talk about. Ooh, someone to dream about. Oh, waiting. Oh, waiting. Oh, waiting. Waiting.
Okay, here are the wet results of our strainer Nautilus Pour. These colors are fantastic. I don't know why, but this reminds me of sorbet ice cream, like orange sickle ice cream and raspberry flavor. Really, really pretty. I love this center. The center is super cool. Look at that. I love how the violet circles around there, and that shock of orange over here, and the way that the violet and the orange blended in this area is stunning. It's like a sunset happening here. The wavy lines are really pretty. The white over top of the violet there is really nice. The orange and the white blended in this area almost made a yellowy color. Really, really nice. And also just beautiful lines coming through it. And some violet cells coming up. Lots of cells in this one, actually. I think this is probably mostly from air bubbles as they pop. I let these paints sit 36 hours before I used them, so there should have been no air bubbles in the paints themselves. But when you pour into the split cup and then pour through the strainer, you push it through there, you push air into the paint every time. Every time you move paint, you create air bubbles. So this particular technique creates lots of air bubbles. But I don't torch it until the very, very end, because I don't want those cells that come up from the air bubbles, I don't want those to get bigger. I'm fine with them being small like this. Look at that. Aren't those cute multicolored little cells? Really nice. So anyway, there we have it. I hope you like this one too. I think it's beautiful. Bright and sunny and happy. So if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for the for the dry results. So here I am out in the garden again with the results of our sunset Nautilus Pour. Actually, I think this one is the least Nautilus-like of all the ones I've done so far. I love it. It's gorgeous. But it doesn't look like a Nautilus to me. It's more of just a straight strainer pour. But these colors worked out perfectly together. I love the details. So let me take you in. I'll show you the center is spectacular. I love that center. So pretty. I love those orange flames coming up there with the magenta tips on them, or violet, and the gradient of color up here in this corner. Woo, spectacular. I love this orange and the white combined up here to create almost like a creamsicle color. Really love that too. So really beautiful, interesting details. This section right here where the violet and the orange combined, really, really nice too. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and come back and see me sometime.